Patriots jet team recovery training. How beautiful that plane is. It's a Saberliner. That's class. This is Sky Aviation's one of their planes. A turbine helicopter. Piaggio Aerospace. This is an Italian plane, so you know it's cool.
Thanks so much.
That's right, this is the one we saw up front that had the props in the back. Man, is that luxury or what? And it's good looking. Large and comfy. Woo, woo, woo. Bellissimo. We got one little shell. Figure it out. I like this. Veterans Airlift Command. They've got the heart and we've got the wings. Jeez. Is that amazing what they can do? That we take care of each other and we make sure that we help each other. For any one of our veterans that has a problem and needs to get somewhere for physical therapy and or surgeries. Let's see what else we can see. Again, for the combat wounded. VeteransAirlift.org. Let's go around that. I want to show you the back. Sexy plane design from the Italians. Let's see what else we can show you real quick. Innovative solutions. Gosh, look at these. Okay, we all need to aspire to this, to have one. And I'm not talking about a lease where you can buy hours. I'm talking about where you own your own. And then, of course, to get you from the airport to your meeting.
Well, I mean,
Jesus.
Use multiple wavelengths of internet, possibly not.
This one's the hair prop. And here's the one that I love from last year, Leonardo. The best. If you want to see, the inside is absolutely amazing, and it seats 6, so you can actually do more people in a larger area that you can take with, that you can take with you in a mobile arena and land on any helipad. I'm going to send it back to you in the studio from Aviation Expo Las Vegas 2019, Sync Media Network. Like, follow, and share on YouTube.